Okay, this short video is going to show you how to download your files from the website. There's one thing I want to show you first. This is just the documents folder. It's standard on any Windows 7 machine. And these are the documents that are preloaded on this computer, which, as you can tell, is a Faculty Development Center computer. But notice that there's nothing here for the CAT. This is the CAT program file, which has been downloaded. And you can put it on your desktop. You can put it anywhere. Click it to open it up. And the first time you open it, this message will always pop up. It says it can't find a data file in the right directory. Once you use the Generate Load Data File button in the bottom right. That's right here. And then no other function will work. So you can say OK. And then two things I wanted to show you. Once you've successfully loaded your file, the tournament will be here, the tournament name, and the location of the data file will be here. Now we'll download it in a sec, but before we go there, I just wanted to point out there's now already a folder has been created that's called CAT. It's in Documents, so it's not hidden in the C drive or anywhere. It's just a Documents folder. You should have plenty of permission to use it, but that's already been created. So we follow the advice. We click on Generate Load Data File. And what you want to do to download it from the internet is use this button in the center. Now you can also just initialize a blank one and do all your data entry manually. If you think you've got the file somewhere on the computer, you can click this button. If you already have a data file and you want to initialize News Tournament, you can do that here. And if you want to import something like from the TRPC or whatever, you can use that. Anyway. You type in your username here and your password. I've got mine clicked in there, and then you click on Show My Tournaments. Here it goes. Now, since I'm the administrator, I've got all the tournaments pop up here. You won't have this many, but I'm going to... So, step 1 was to enter the password. Step 2 is to click on the tournament you want to download. There it goes. If there were multiple events, I could download all of them or just select the ones I want by checking or unchecking that box, but I've done that. So now I've checked the division I want, and the fourth one is just to click this button. This will erase it, which is fine because there's nothing there, and then this will show us our progress on the bottom. And it takes a little while. The Michigan tournament had about 125 teams. It took 11 seconds to process on this fairly quick connection. And then I went past that a little bit quickly, but it says that it will get you back here. Okay, so now it's got the name of the tournament, has appeared here. The location of the data file has shown up here. If I were to come to my documents and open the CAT folder, it's downloaded the two files that it needs here. This is the data file, and this is a schema file that it uses. Okay, so now that I've downloaded that, the next thing to do is to come over to the tournament setup. I encourage you to click this button, How does this work? And it will say generally you just need to click these buttons in order, and it will update where you're at in this little box here. So it says, judges do not appear to be initialized for the event division eligibility. Go to the Setup Round Schedule screen and click the Initialize Judges and Rooms button. Okay, so Setup Round Schedule, that's this button. And these are all the rounds, but what you want is the Initialized Rooms and Judges. Click on that. It now says they're initialized. You close this down, and boom, it says Setup is complete, and you're ready to start pairing. And then all the data should be here. Here's a quick way to check. Here's all the teams have been downloaded. It shows there's 125 of them. You could enter or edit your judges. These show up here. You could even, I think some of these were already paired, so you could, for example, go to round 3 and get a copy of the pairings. So that is how you download and get your data file running in the CAT. I hope this has been helpful. Okay, this is me recording something, ideally to the screen. Here's the thing, I'm launching this. There's the FTC, I'm hitting stop.